Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yesterday our discussion was very clear that if market ranges between this after 1 o'clock or after in the first half, we will be interested to see one sided movement. But look what happened in this market today. I'll just show you in 5 minutes. It was completely random. See here, if market opened flat and came down and went up and came down and went up and came down and went up. This is why I told one thing very clearly in yesterday's video. I told always buy from a demand and always sell from a supply. If you had noted this point alone, like don't chase the market, buy it only from a demand and sell it only from a supply, then your trading life will become very simple. Because if you are positioned in the wrong side of a trade, for example, if you had entered P in this place, or if you had entered C in this place, or if you had entered P in this place, your capital would be gone. That is why I also told one more thing: keep your quantity size as low as possible. I also told few other setups also. We did not get those setups. I told we will try call from here or we will try put from the above supply. Market did not come here. Market did not go there. What happened in market? That you should understand. Before even we go into the prediction for tomorrow, unless you don't understand what happened in market today, it is impossible for you to trade or impossible for you to survive in the market. See this point, this is the swing point which was there earlier, right? If a market with a ray, this is a swing point here. So what happened today? Market came down, hunted this liquidity, and it did not give a closure below this. Understand this point very clearly. This is what we call as liquidity sweep. What happens as part of liquidity sweep is if we had got a closure here, if market had closed below this, there are high chances that market would have gone till here. But if market did not close below this, then there are high chances market will reverse. This is what has happened. Liquidity hunting works like this only. Many people will think like, okay, market has come down till here, market has broken here, so many people would have entered put here. That is why market will give a liquidity sweep, hunt their orders, and then reverse it. And then comes back, hunt their orders again, and then reverse. This zone is now officially a liquidity zone here. So if I mark this entire zone, this is a liquidity pool. So this has to be filled by the market in the near future by a closure and hunt this demand very soon and before going up. So I'll just remove this for today because market did not respect this, and also I'll remove this. Okay, so tomorrow the plan is going to be very simple. If market opens flat and comes down, or it opens gap down, okay, let it come down. I want a 15 minutes closure below this level. Understand this point. I want a 15 minutes closure below this. Then on small pullbacks, I will target either this or this based on the candle momentum. If I don't get a pullback like this, and if market goes like this directly, I will skip for tomorrow. Okay. If market opens flat and comes down, or if it market opens gap down and goes in one stretch down, let it go. Okay. If market opens somewhere here, okay, around 25, 850 or 840 or wherever it opens, and if I hunted this, and in 1 minute time frame, if I get a positive closure, this will be the best trade. Why? Because liquidity hunting has happened, and there are high chances market can go till yesterday's closing. I mean today's session's closing for tomorrow. If market opens gap down and gives a positive reaction from here, this is for downside. Okay, and for upside, I'm not much interested in the upside because I want this liquidity to be hunted before even going up. Okay, so if market opens flat and goes up, I wanted to monitor negative reaction from here and keep the target at least till this liquidity, either from this supply or from this supply. Both these supplies, I'll just keep monitoring how the price action will happen. Okay, as per SGX Nifty, if I just refresh this, it is showing a very big gap up. I don't know, like I have not checked the news. It is showing a gap up of 26.13. That is above all these supplies. Okay. So let it open there. Let's see the price action. In first 15 minutes, if the price action is downtrending, let it go. We wanted to buy it only from a demand. Understand this point. We wanted to buy call only from a demand. I don't wanted to randomly trade. gap will always be filled. Okay. So for example, if market opens 26,120 or 2600, somewhere in this range, okay, and if a liquidity sweep happens here, if market sweeps this liquidity just like today and gives a negative closure like this, then I will be interested to take the market down at least till today's closing. Okay, I'm not interested much on the upside. I'm not interested to buy call here because I want these demands to be filled before even going up in the positive direction. I have a course specifically designed for you, which make you understand all the concepts in market structures, liquidity, how to trade reverses, how to trade continuations. All that will be covered in this course from a beginner to advanced level. So if you're interested to buying this course, let me know. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next educational video.